In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a video on Vimeo without changing the link. If you've ever needed to update a video but wanted to keep the same URL, embeds, and analytics, Vimeo's replace feature is exactly what you're looking for. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each action does, and share a few simple tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by heading to Vimeo in your web browser. Once you're on the site, go to your library. This is where all of your uploaded videos live. Find the video you want to update and open it. You'll see the videos page with its player and details. In the upper right corner of this page, look for the three dots menu. Click that menu and then choose Replace. This tells Vimeo you want to swap out the underlying file while keeping the same video, entry link, privacy settings, and any existing embeds on your website or social channels. A file browser window will pop up. Navigate to the new version of your video on your computer. Choose the final exported file you intend to publish. For a smoother upload and best playback quality, use a compatible format like MP4 with H.264 or H.265, and try to keep the resolution and aspect ratio consistent with the original, especially if your video is embedded on other sites. This helps avoid unexpected layout changes in players or pages. When you've selected the file, click Open and then Confirm by clicking Replace. Vimeo will start uploading immediately and show you progress. While the upload is in progress, staying on the page helps you monitor status and reduces the chance of interruptions. Once the upload completes, Vimeo will process the new file. Processing times can vary based on length, resolution, and server load, so give it a moment. During processing, your existing link and embed remain active. As soon as the new version is ready, the updated video seamlessly takes the place of the old one without breaking any links or dashboards. When processing finishes, press play to preview the updated video right on the page to make sure audio, visuals, and timing look correct. If others are viewing the video through an embed, they'll see the updated version automatically, usually after a quick refresh. That's all there is to it. You've replaced your video while preserving your URL, embeds, and analytics, and you didn't have to reshare a thing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of keeping everything in one place while updating your content behind the scenes.